Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off typing indicator on Instagram. So if you don't know the meaning of typing indicator is a special in-app function of features that is built on Instagram. So whenever you are typing with someone on Instagram, so the person on the other hand can see you typing. So it's going to show at the top of your profile, it's going to show typing, so the person will be aware that this particular user is testing or typing a particular message and is about to send me a message. So you don't want any of your friends to see you when you are typing, or you don't want to see the typing indicator option on your profile when you are typing or probably chatting with them. This is how you can get it done. Just open your Instagram app, then you tap on the messaging icon on the Instagram. Once you tap on it, then you tap on the friends you want to turn off the typing indicator. I'm just going to tap on this, then I'll tap on the profile name, then I'll tap on the name of the person, which is the profile name on the person. Then I'm just going to tap on privacy and safety. Then from here you can turn off the typing indicator. Then can see other can see when you are typing. So once this is off, they can no longer see when you are typing, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.